dancers! Welcome to our channel. Let's do a cha-cha basic step dance along with us. We are going to do 1 whole minute of cha-cha basic step. Are we ready, guys?
Yes.
Let's get into our positions. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, go, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, hold the free leg on 1, and make sure it's sharp knees, sharp feet, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, hold the leg, cha-cha, hold, 2, 3, brush the feet, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, very good, 2, 3, keep your elbows in place, Nika, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, brush the feet on every step, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, timing, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, posture, don't forget your postures, guys, cha-cha, 1, put more energy into your step, make sure your neck's long, cha-cha, hold, 2, 3, cha-cha, hold. Alright, we hope you tried this dance along together with us, and we will see you next time. Bye!